Hello everyone, it's Indiana Rail Fan Productions, and today I'm making the tutorial I promised. So, I've been getting requests. I've gotten at least 1 or 2 requests already to do a tutorial, which I already had promised to begin with, but I'm doing a tutorial on how to fix this Amtrak Midwest Siemens SC-44 charger by Central and Rail Fan, aka Rainbow Rails, on YouTube. So, to get started, I've already fixed mine, but I took note of all the errors that you'll get. So, start off with, you're going to want to fix it. There's going to be a faulty texture in the body, so you're going to go to Edit and Explorer. And go to Body. Now, it's going to be this one right here, Art SC-44. Now, I use Paint.net to fix these problems, but if you want to use GIMP, for example, which I believe I have somewhere over here in this corner. I don't know, I might have deleted it. So you're going to open this into Paint.net, if it'll actually load. There we go. So Paint.net is opened. Or you can use your editing software, whatever. So what you're going to do, select any color on the locomotive and just kind of scribble around a little bit, and then press save, and boom, that will be fixed automatically. Next, you're going to need to go into the Edit and Content Creator Plus, go up here and click refresh, and under thumbnails there will be a 0. Just delete it. It's the easiest path. Just straight delete it. So after you've done that, go to Commit Asset. And the SC-44 will no longer be faulty. However, there's one more asset you will have to fix. Go to Trucks for Amtrak Midwest Siemens SC-44. Click in View in Main List. And go to Trucks, which are right here. And what's going to be missing, there's going to be a texture that failed to load, which is the bogey art. All you got to do is click on that. Hang on, sorry guys, my scanner is turned on. So anyways, what I did was I went down here and just drew a big 8. Click save. Close out of that. And commit the bogies. And with that, the locomotive, and that should fix the locomotive. And it's ready for use in your game. I hope you guys found this helpful.